Morning children, open your new Sparkle semester series, Senior KG semester 2nd book. Yesterday we have learnt vowel sound U, short vowel sound of U. Sun, bun, tub, pub, mug, jug. Long vowel sound of U, jute, flute, tube, mute, tune, fume. This is long vowel sound of U. Okay. After that, check your vowel sounds. Check your vowel sounds. Fill in the middle sound. That is HAT hat, JUG jug, PAN pan, NET net, FOX fox, SOCK socks, MUG mug, OAR or, CRAB crab, HUT hut, TENT tunt, PEN pen, FISH fish, GIRL girl, DOG dog, BIN bin. Bin. We have completed. Yes or no? This vowel sound of U we completed. Now see page number 32. Open page number 32. Consonant blunts. L. Blunts. When two or three letters that are not vowels are placed next to each other in a word, they make a sound. These are blunts. Repeat the sounds of the L blunts given below. CL, that is clap, class, clip. Clap, class, clip. CLAP, clap, CLASS, class, CLIP, clip. Blue, 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 blue. BLESS, bless. BLOOD, blood. Blue, bless, blood. That is all. BL, blue. LUE, less. Load, blood. BLOOD, load. That is blood. L, pronouns of L. Play, 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 PLAN. Plan, PLUS, plus. Play, lay, plan, plus. FLAP, flap. FLAG, flag. FLIP, flip. FLAP, flap. FLAG, flag. FLIP, flip. GLASS, glass. GLAND, gland. GLOVE, globe. Globe. SL, sleep. SLIP, sleep. SLOW, slow. SLEEP, sleep. That is sleep. Sleep means SLIP, sleep is, and SLEEP, sleep. Sleep यानी सोना. Sleep means कोई भी तुम लिस्ट बनाते हो उसका स्लिप देना पड़ता है. Okay, have you got it? CL, clap, class, clip. BL, blue, bless, blood. PL, play, plan, plus. SL, sleep, slow, sleep. FLAP, flap. FLAG, flag. FLIP, flip. GL, glass, gland, glow. Now page number 33. Consonant blunts. S blunts. Consonant blunts. S blunts. Repeat the sounds of the S blunts given below. S blunts, that is SK, SKATE, skate, SKIN, skin, SKIP, skip, skate, skin, skip, SK, SKATE, skate, skin, skip, SMALL, small, SMOKE, smoke, SMART, smart, small, smoke, smart, SNAIL, snail, snack, snack, snake, snail, snack, snake, snail, snack, snake, SW, swan, sweet, swim, swan, 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 SWEET, sweet, SWIM, swim, SCALE, scale, SCAN, scan, SCORE, score, SPELL, spell, SPIN, spin, SPOON, spoon, spell, spin, spoon, ST, star, stare, stuck, STAR, star, STIR, stare, STUCK, stuck, SK, skate, skin, skip, skate, skin, skip, SM, small, smoke, smart, small, smoke, smart, SN, snail, snack, snail, snack, snake, snail, snacks, snake, SW, swan, sweet, swim, swan, sweet, swim, SC, scale, scan, score, SP, spell, spin, spoon, ST, star, stare, stuck, SP, spell, spin, spoon, ST, star, stare, stuck. Okay, page number 32 and 33. You have to read and write the words for 5 times. Okay, and learn by heart. Yesterday we have completed page number 45, rhyme. One rhyme we have completed, that is X is a letter. X is a letter. Now let's see aquatic animals. The second rhyme, that is aquatic animals. Do you know what is aquatic animals? Aquatic animals are those animals which live in water. They are called aquatic animal. Aquatic animal किसको कहते हैं? जो पानी में रहता है. Okay. Deep inside the water, under the sea, big and small fish swim freely. Deep inside the water, under the sea, crabs and turtles we can see. Deep inside the water, under the sea, oysters and sea stars look so pretty. Oysters and sea stars look so pretty. Deep inside the water, under the sea, colorful fish live happily. So, deep inside the water, under the sea यानी ये बड़ा क्या है? बड़ा सी है. उसके अंदर big and small fish swim freely. They can if there is little water, they can't swim properly. Yes or no? So they require more water where they can swim freely. Then crabs we can see in the tortoise. Crabs and tortoises we can see in deep inside the water under the sea. Oysters and sea stars look so pretty. Sea stars, these are all small water fish. These are here. You can see no tortoises are there. Water fish star, sea starfish are there. Crab is there. And this is oysters. This is oysters. You can see. They look so beautiful. See, you also can observe this. By seeing only, it looks so beautiful. So, colorful fish live happily. So, this fish in a big under the sea, inside the water, deep inside the water, they feel very happy to live in the water. Okay. We will see now. Deep inside the water, deep inside the water, under the sea, deep inside the water, under the sea, big and small fish swim freely, big and small fish swim freely, deep inside the water, under the sea, deep inside the water, under the sea, big and small fish swim freely, big and small fish swim freely, deep inside the water, under the sea, deep inside the water, under the sea, crabs and tortoises we can see, crabs and tortoises we can see, deep inside the water, under the sea, deep inside the water, under the sea, oysters and sea stars look so pretty, oysters and sea stars so pretty, deep inside the water, under the sea, deep inside the water, under the sea, colorful fish live happily, colorful fish live happily, deep inside the water, under the sea, deep inside the water, under the sea, big and small fish swim freely, big and small fish swim freely, deep inside the water, under the sea, deep inside the water, under the sea, crabs and tortoises we can see, crabs and tortoises we can see, deep inside the water, under the sea, deep inside the water, under the sea, oysters and sea stars look so pretty, oysters and sea stars look so pretty, deep inside the water, under the sea, colorful fish live happily, colorful fish live happily. What? Ask the children the following questions. Teachers know. Where do fish, crabs and tortoise live? Yes, children. Where do fish, crab and tortoise live? They live in the water. They live in the water. Yes or no? How many eggs are there in Xerox? How many eggs are there in Xerox? Yes, Xerox here. Xerox. 1, 2. There are 2 Xerox. There are 2 eggs in a Xerox. Who looks pretty? Who looks pretty? Who looks pretty? Oysters and sea stars. Oysters and sea stars look pretty. Looks pretty. Oysters and sea stars looks pretty. How many fish are there in the rhyme? Yes. How many fish are there in the rhyme? How many fish are there? See, count. Count and tell me. Starfish, sea stars, fish. They have asked you the fish. 1, 2, 3. 3, no? 1, 2, 3. Three fish are there in the rhyme. Three fish are there in the rhyme. So, aquatic animals, you have to learn by heart that words what I have given you, no? L and S blunts. You have to learn by heart and learn by heart and write for 5 times the words. Page number I have told you. Page number 32 and 33. 5 times you have to write the words and learn by heart the poem, a rhyme. Learn by heart the rhyme, that is aquatic animals. Aquatic animals. We will meet in the next video. Thank you, children.